Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install EnglishClass 101 Premium, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type EnglishClass101.com and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the Join or Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Join or Sign Up button to proceed to the registration page. You will see options for creating a new account. Fill in your email address and choose a password. After entering your details, proceed to select your learning preferences. Select the English learning level that best fits your needs. Choose a plan that includes the premium subscription. There may be promotional options available, so take a moment to review these options carefully. Once you have made your selections, click on the Continue button. Next, you will be taken to the payment page. Enter your payment information, including your credit card details. Double-check your information to ensure everything is accurate. After verifying your payment details, click the button to confirm your purchase. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after your payment is processed. Return to the EnglishClass 101 website. Log into your new account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Premium Features section. Explore the various resources available to you as a premium member. Take note of any recommended courses or lessons tailored to your learning goals. You are now ready to start your journey with EnglishClass 101 Premium. Enjoy learning and have fun engaged with the material. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.